say
Nyamiado me hoye pa na. So hoye.
Nyamiado bibi abako. Minti way.
I don't know how do you feel? As your club has not won the Champions League in almost 18 years. League final after 2 decades. How did you feel when you were watching the game?
Great.
For who? For yourself or for them?
For Arsenal.
For Arsenal.
Yeah. Oma bread. Arsenal, Oma bro. Mikel Arteta or bread. At least this should be the icing on the cake. Yeah. At least with the Nyankopo Momu Bako. Premier League and Champions League. No?
At least they should win one of them.
At least one of them.
Which, so you see, Makane several times said, for me, I did about so you're a young analyst, Ebema, you stand out is resisting the attempt to re-echo the Ubieka. And because it's easy, Obiasi saying to Mamin Kohobi. And last night for me, my mind was taken to somewhere around 5-6 years ago. I will have FM studio. Mikai Pane, mini Austin Wood, any Dela. And you know, both of them are Arsenal fans. And Mikel Arteta starts here in Juma. And I catch Delani Austin Wood, you know, I say, I am very, very strong in terms of my thoughts on Mikel Arteta based on 2 things. Which means say, clubs no omako any long periods of stagnation, not getting success. No. And here about free side meaning, when they are able to get nipa bakwa or the belief no enter back to the club. In the modern day English Premier League football, recent times, the 2 coaches who dominating power been Pep Guardiola and Jurgen Klopp. And you remember when Jurgen Klopp took over the job at Liverpool, I said, I will turn doubters to believers. And I remember again, Joseph Guardiola ever felt one as Manchester City manager. He told the fans, say, he will make sure the City will win. And it got to a point. Now United now feel that these guys are noisy neighbors, but they are not noisy neighbors again. They are the winning neighbors. And it takes one man. Which Arsenal went through it all.
Yeah.
So area unya Arsenal here, I'm sure say a better thing say we recollect what that club have gone through. Say who can top clubs no? Now person only describe a top club as a clown club. It was Arsenal.
A crown.
Yes, I'm not trying to demean that, but that was the state of Arsenal.
Of course.
Who can Jose Mourinho as in Wenger? Jose is showing you something, send me any minute.
No, Arsenal is a small club.
Yes.
Arsenal is big.
Yes, those were the things that the club were going through. And this was a manager. No, the Arsenal team, Aquacoji, invincible Spain. Then the team deteriorated. When Karionki and all of his people managed the club to this level, which the club was in the bad state. And we perceive Arsenal for everybody on free bar. And I want them to enjoy it. Mr. Arsenal here. Don't let anybody take the shine away from the success that your club have had. Born in your fair, and you're flamboyant, and you're expansive, and you're brofu. It does not matter in the grand scheme of things. All of those English, what matters is that Arsenal are progressing. 3 seasons ago, in the 22-23 season, Mikel Arteta created the team to do the quarter final of the Champions League. Then the 24-25 season, Odom compare in the semi-final of the Champions League. This season, in the 25-26 season, the same Mikel Arteta has sent this club that was supposed to be a laughing stock for England to go into the final of the Champions League. Rich, first no. Now, say 38 games fixture list ever be down for English Premier League now. Say Chelsea for one extra list now. And the Bakono Chimupa was the date that they marked was when they were going to play Arsenal. Oh, that many Arsenal. Now, What DJ Drogba san Arsenal will final. And yet ben which you remember just around the time ana Omubabe for Arteta Jumano. You just say okay, it was Unai Emery in an year Jumano. Now they don't look to be too big for Unai. 19-year Jumano, Ubona for the facing media, ne inability to speak fluent English. No more the Sereno, good evening, any other. So around that time, there was that aura of uncertainty in our club. You know, go for the other hands and say, go make it take a cram on. You got to a point to realize that no. They have a player who has played for them before. Or your assistant to Joseph Guardiola. In fact, there was a video, so Bekaya. Almost every time Mikel Arteta take Pep Guardiola and change. Not only Arsenal boy. There was a compilation say, anytime Man City beat Arsenal, Mikel Arteta never celebrated. Not a single time. And a time that Mikel had assistant to Pep, not to Pep in change. Before then, no one Yomako City versus Arsenal. City has shown for 4 consecutive seasons. Or Chini Gosheno. Send any Arsenal the Chelsea, you know. Send your Man City the Chelsea since 2021. Or Chini Gosheno. Once Mikel was there all of these years, or to Pep in China said Man City shy. He doesn't celebrate. In fact, there was a video where even the City players had gone to him to celebrate, and he stayed away from it. The passion for the club was coaching. The first season now, Oba no Obi 8 no. Almost season you Arsenal for a video the title was Believe. And he wants the people in the fans to believe. Or person players to believe. Or person only Mikel Arteta believe. And he thinks that so we believe in point and will go forward. Which before this season and maybe last season, not only Arsenal for not landing forever. You watch Arsenal games, you don't hear not landing forever. Wherever they were, rich. And then before games, especially two games, it breaks out in the stadium at Emirates because they are proud of the club. And now, almost every Arsenal fan I knew wanted to cry. And I could feel that emotions there, Charlie. You support the club consistently. Na Bayern actually Champions League quarter final, no Arsenal. Na Barcelona actually, no Arsenal. No reaction, no Arsenal. They were just perennial failures. Then one man, nobody can write current football conversation story without Mikel Arteta. You can't change in the last 3 years. Mikel isn't in the top 5 best managers in Europe. No one else fair, fine. But this is somebody who has done the job. And then football management and coaching isn't only about what goes on in the field of play. Look at leadership. How he speaks to them or absorbing pressure from the media onto himself and then goes back to the players and or say after Fulham game now or call back at your boys and said, "Oh, you're very sorry, but players may go Fulham match. On one of the go at go match. And also boys think I change say, well, any problem. Whatever time you need us, we represent. Rich, this is it. 2023-24 quarter final, 24-25 semi final, 25-26 we've got into the final, and it is unmute Budapest, and now the showing was fantastic. One of the things that's been clear is that the leadership qualities of Mikel Arteta, and he was able to build some of them on the field of play. International bubble now. Maybe as a Mikel Arteta players need to park and so, but then Gabriel Magalhaes, William Saliba, Declan Rice, even goalkeeper David Raya. Rich, in the last 2 or 3 seasons, if there is any goalkeeper that's giving us complete performances for a whole season, David Raya has been there in the Premier League, in fact, this season in the Champions League. When you are mentioning the best players, you ought to mention David Raya. The number of clean sheets he has kept, the number of shots I was saying when he went away to Atletico de Madrid, who was out with an Alvarez ball.
Oh, stretchy, you know.
See, Arsenal have built such a formidable team. To the extent that Edu crumbled for me, and then he stayed in it. And they brought on Andrea Bata, still built on the quality. 24 goals per on concede. Honestly speaking, say even if I don't get to look at today's games, I'm fine. Arsenal for another.
Okay.
Paris Saint-Germain Bayern. Almost Champions League final be paying. Only Naji be paying. The story of Arsenal has to be told. Say you 1 hour cry. Which you hear more. And then you hear Arsenal as a moon. We don't get to do
that. Only Arsenal for Ndingo. Almost one on pen final. 2 teams, you know, Bayern and then PSG.
Oh, almost on per combined 11.
Hey.
Raminia Nanea watching any coach.
Almost per combined 11. Now PSG team is almost per combined 11.
Oh, there you also put 2 in your fire. It's
Emfa Bayern. Any PSG now.
One.
You selected the best.
Now coach is in your son.
And Trump a bench or no, or Arsenal no more. Coffee you mujom say
we are saying I don't know who of our coffee crowd to
be problem of our mechanic man who for nimpo oh more brain and the bus as well
as our body building that
a bus as well for another baba catch us about who as all who you say the hand of us was got
I think say team between the 2 teams Nipa you say obetimi Arsenal a tough time. Paris Saint-Germain for no. Because it's only young from last season.
Yeah.
Right. The reason why this may be a different game, say Paris Saint-Germain qualify cry. Essentially because of say a one-off game in a final. Arsenal know how to get it done in one game. And I think that they can stop Paris Saint-Germain from scoring. I think so. When say Mikel Arteta Paris Saint-Germain he will not go and make the rookie mistakes other coaches will be here. He will go long. Second balls, physicality, he really balls. He will force the game to be their game, Arsenal for game, and then force Paris Saint-Germain to come and play their game. Then we will see Paris Saint-Germain can be successful Arsenal for the turf as well. Honestly, on any day, say Arsenal could play more Champions League final between the 2 teams. In 90 minutes, I doubt that Arsenal will lose the game.
Against PSG or Bayern?
Yes. Whoever will win that trophy, say Arsenal, that team will have to force them beyond 90 minutes.
But how's the difference in the home?
Yeah.
Watertight.
Is it?
Saliba no. Mr. Bobu ha. As what bash, who baby will be sure, Papa. More than what? And with you, I go there on you know one.
Mikel Abdul team
are serious.
Or more also defending.
Yeah.
They are willing to put their bodies on the line.
That's it.
Like Omar said, ball.
Say no, a brand tending who could G-board me, you know.
Now, who's there and share Guillermo Simeone born and Gesanko Boschen. Gabriel Magalhaes hand. If it was any centre back, like they'll give up. But Gabriel kept on putting him off. Yeah, Guillermo should have scored that. But Gabriel kept on putting him off. Yes, kept on putting him off until someone say. And for me, that is the level of solidity Arsenal defense here. And only Paris Saint-Germain or whoever the case is. On a night like that, only saying a story they complete. Saint-Germain carry the share. I think it was perfect. Victor Gyökeres was fantastic. And again, it's the development of Victor Gyökeres. We don't say it as much as saying Abraham struggle. You remember when he came, he was struggling to score goals. And now, even some minute details like the back to goal. You only have Hanko. And after the game, only Hanko, only Mark Pudeo, constantly making sure that he was the needed outlet for Arsenal. But this man, oh Charlie, he deserves everything that is coming his way because he has been a representation of Arsenal. Thomas Partey is not part of this party because he started it with Granit Xhaka. But last night it was Bukayo Saka's night and he was absolutely fantastic and you give them credit. For me, I think say Abanti Ayefero, Diego Simeone, the road should end here for Atletico Madrid. I don't think say he can re-engineer anything again. They should let him go. This season they invested a lot, but I don't think say
and no any changes in his age.
It's a timeout. I didn't know what he was expecting for the game at that point in time.
And Opena mi busa George say.
Yeah.
The reason they saying or change Julian Alvarez. And Josh Okajem said, oh yes, and Brantino injury before the game.
100% fit.
No, 100% fit.
Yeah.
So player only 100% fit, you know. Man started from the bench. My sort of started game, no. Because I think that getting to the dark MS of the game, no. Chances now falling to sort of no said, no. So then Julian Alvarez, if you go 1-1, a push game to call extra.
True.
Sort of no. Or a striker there by me mention them.
Sort of this season he hasn't been.
But as I want to say, omu pen final. And to be control. I see PSG has a dangerous attack and stronger midfield.
Yeah.
Bayern Munich could be manageable and able to handle by Arsenal.
Almost a PSG bedding.
Almost a PSG there as a complete dodo. Any only too sharp.
Yeah.
Midfield no watertight.
But this is what Paris Saint-Germain Bayern. So I think what Bayern 3-1 was a 4-1.
But almost a Bayern there and manageable. So they compare PSG. Okay.
When you can class action. Today's game now going quickly for you.
And you say an avalanche of goals in the game.
Oh yeah, goals will come. In lose 9 the last time, no. But goals will come. I think we'll get at least 3 goals a game in him.
Okay.
Which I think that Paris Saint-Germain won't have given the game away to Bayern. My opinion. I think that all those Paris Saint-Germain are going into the second leg with a lead 1-0 up. No? And then they say they'll be able to qualify this evening. And I said it the last time. So for me, the 2 semi-finals, it's about Obia home. And what I told you in the semi-final of Arsenal have come. Pepe. Atletico had a chance of a 1-1 draw with you. Arsenal are beating them by 1-0. It can be marginal. Paris Saint-Germain had a chance to finish off the tie by winning by 5-2. They did not. They gave the game away in excitement of your Bobo Efe. But that really doesn't matter when it's about margins at the highest level. I think that once this game goes to the Allianz Arena, a couple of things are about to happen. I'm expecting Bayern will start a game on a high. In the game that went on at the Parc des Princes, because the Paris Saint-Germain followed both most of the intensity was with them. They controlled the game better. They got the better chances when the game started and all of that. But most are here at the Bay. I find saying Allianz Arena, no, a very Bayern Munich can control match. Now, Unipa Vincent Company. Also, can people expect the same game as last week? It will always depend on both teams. If one decides to take a step back and defend more, then there could be some calmer faces in the game. Otherwise, there won't be. It's difficult to imagine that either team will change what's brought them here in the first place. We are playing at home. We want to win and we'll do everything to achieve that. Which I think the game analysis, everything is encompassed in this statement of Vincent Company. Like you are saying, it will depend largely on their 2 teams in the person. But first off, which see a good game now do first half. Not buying a lead. If you ever see say over the time, buying about the lead, yeah, Bayern will reduce the intensity. They will reduce the intensity and manage the game. Like Vincent saying here, he's saying based on what will happen, and there may be calmer faces in the game. Yeah. So unless Bayern doesn't get a lead in it, so Bayern not cost in the game now. And not any form of winner they do that.
Maybe for example, you start a game now.
Yeah.
Now Bayern has first goal.
Yeah.
It means our level. No Sasha another goal which is 2-0.
They'll come down again.
So that time Uncope goes maybe will manage the game.
Not as much.
Okay.
They won't defend too deep.
Okay.
But they will manage the game.
Okay.
Vincent's also saying the 2 teams won't depart from their playing and they do mobile on them. So they'll start like that. But depending on game states, unless the sun away from the nominal setup on the core match.
When they win,
I think Bayern goes through.
PSG to go.
For me, my analysis on the blast of the whistle our semi-final was that Nipo will be taking advantage of the home qualifies.
Okay.
If you get the success at home and you use it well, you qualify. And I think at the Allianz Arena, Bayern have the quality to go through. The biggest issue for team your friend Paris Saint-Germain, and so they said there is no Ashraf Hakimi. So we're expecting Warren Zaire Emery will go and play at right back and invert into the middle. Or we're expecting they play Theo Hernandez and we're chill match right back. But Desiree Doué, Neves, Vitinha, Fabian Louis, Ousmane Dembele, and Ivica Kvaratskhelia. For Bayern, it's more of the same. Konrad Laimer, Jonathan Tah, Dai Upamecano, Stanisic, Manuel Neuer, Alexander Pavlovich, Joshua Kimmich, Michael Olise, Jamal Musiala, And of course, Abrante friend Harry Kane lead the lines. And then, like I said, it's simple buying to qualify. Or, of course, and then best goes near the Bemano. Because we know it's a final. And we are very careful with the margins of errors, no inti. Most of the codes, no, go. We are 100% certain, say, no better. We are 100% certain, say, they are going to be an over 2.5 or game name. I need that team to win an over 2.5. So, Abrante Rich. But more for opportunity then on this car. And then my first code, I'm a demo of Fiifi Manfred. The first one, BW 53 DE A658. Second one, BW 53 DE 943C. That is the second coder. And then me more third code no. And so BW 53 DE 799D. Fourth one BW 53 DE 6425. That is the fourth one. And last one BW 53 DE 3787. And only 14 outage. Oko Fiifi Manfred, all social media handles, Twitter, Facebook, all handles are on Sabeka Coach no honor.
Okay, Kofi, that's it. Message by Ibn Afi Yamra if